Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix keyboard not working on Windows. The first thing that we are going to do is to just unplug and plug your keyboard on your computer or laptop because that might be the problem. So try to do that, and if you are using a Bluetooth keyboard, then make sure that it is also fully charged so that there won't be any problem. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Device Manager and then open it. After opening, what we're going to do right here is to look for keyboards. So just look for the keyboard that you're using right here. So let's say, for example, that this is the keyboard that we are using. So just right click on it and then click on Install Device. After uninstalling device, just go here on the Windows icon and then restart your PC. And then after restarting, the driver will automatically be downloaded once again, and then this time, Windows will install the correct driver for your keyboard. After that, if it is still not working, the next thing that we are going to do is to modify our keyboard. So we're going to go here on the search bar and then search for Run, and then click Open, and then type regedit. After that, click on OK. Once you're now here, and in this part, we're going to look for this one right here. So you will be redirected into this part. So we're going to look for local machine. And then in this part, just look for system, which is right here. And then just scroll down and then look for current control set. So click that and then click services. And then just look for this, which is I8042PRT. And then in this part, just look for start. And then we're going to right click on it and then click modify. And then for the value data, we're going to turn this into 1 and then just click OK. After doing that, just restart your PC once again, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.